Today is Friday, and we are going to finally wash my hair. Let me show you the products that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the Pattern Beauty On The Go kit. I got the On The Go kit so that I could try the different items. So this comes with, sorry if I'm still a little congested. I'm really trying. Do not mind this wrinkled shirt. Listen, it's been that type of week, okay? So this comes with the hydration shampoo as well as the heavy conditioner for coilies and leave-in conditioner, define and moisture. But that's what that looks like. So it gives me an opportunity to try multiple products rather than buying full-size products. And then I also picked up the mini shower brush. Detangles and helps curls find each other. So this will help with detangling. My other detangling brush, I don't know. I had a dimming brush, and the top part keeps coming out. So I just said, let me go ahead and try this, and I like that it was very compact. So this brush feels really, really nice. We'll keep you guys posted with that. So let's go ahead and try these products out.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love.
It's me still coming on here looking crazy, bruh. But my nails! I got my nails done. I am so excited, y'all. This is so freaking cute. I am now on my way to Trader Joe's. Going to Trader Joe's, get a couple of fall things. You know what I'm saying? I'm hyped. Listen, one step at a time. One step at a time to get beautified, okay? First it was my nails, then we're gonna tackle this hair one step at a time to get beautified, recovering from a cold, you know what I'm saying? Woo! It's been a long time coming. It's been a long time coming. I'm trying to figure out why did a bird do this on my car? Like, I wasn't even in the nail salon, it took that long. So we're gonna go in Trader Joe's and let's see what is new in Trader Joe's for the fall. I hope I can find a few of the items that I've actually never had a chance to try, but I heard that they're good items, such as like the pancake mix, the pumpkin pancake mix. I saw someone say something about like a pumpkin cream cheese. I feel like that would be really good on some bagels. Oh my gosh, let's see. But I'll check back in with you guys as I'm going into Trader Joe's. Trying to beat this crowd, you know what I'm saying? Why do people keep parking on the line like this? Why?
Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going.
All right, I'm looking crazy. Finally home, and I got 3 bags from Trader Joe's and then 1 bag from Walmart. So Walmart, I just picked up some sandwich bags, some more Vicks. These are so good to put in the humidifier in your room. Y'all, this is the season to get those humidifiers to breathe properly through this weather. But these are the Vicks Vapor Pad Plus. Got some more of those. Picked up some A1 sauce because I'm about to make some steak and some Pepto-Bismol. So that's the Walmart. All right, Trader Joe's. Got some bananas. I didn't get many this time, but got some bananas because we already have some. Got some mint. The best juice on the planet, orange, peach, mango. Also some pineapple juice. Why is the pineapple juice $2 more than the orange mango? I don't know. Somebody let me know. Also picked up a red pepper and a green pepper for tonight's dinner. That's bag 1. Bag 2, picked up some mushrooms. This little salad, green leaf lettuce, like mix. All the like salad kits for some reason. I don't know if it was a time that I went or what, but they were like wilted. I got a lemon, 2 cucumbers. I already have some tomato from Target, so I'm gonna make a little salad. Yellow onion. These cookies. Babe likes these cookies, cranberry and white chocolate oatmeal cookies. And this right here, I was so excited. This Trader Joe's actually had a lot of this. They had a lot of pumpkin stuff. They had pumpkin tortilla chips, pumpkin salsa. It was just so much pumpkin. I was overwhelmed. But I did pick up the pumpkin pancake and waffle mix that has been raved about. So I'm excited to try these out. I'll keep you guys posted. Let me know if you tried any of these. And then the last bag, I wanted to try this for my coffee. This is the non-dairy oat creamer with brown sugar. Picked up the fettuccine alfredo. I heard good things about this. I always get the pepe one. I actually still have a bag in the freezer now. And I decided let's try a different pasta this time around. So I got 2 of those because if you know, when you like something at Trader Joe's, if you're trying something and you end up liking it, you may want to get 2. Picked up a chicken fried rice this time. If you see my last vlog, I picked up the vegetable one. That one is good, but this one is just like an easy meal. And I should have got 2 of these. I don't even know why I didn't get 2. Anyway, chicken fried rice. I picked up one of my favorites. This is a really good, easy lunch or even dinner if you are not in the mood to cook. The Mandarin style orange chicken bowl. Picked up one of these. They also had a new sriracha shrimp bowl. But I said, let me just take it easy. Read up on some almond milk. Picked up these potatoes. These are the roasted potatoes with peppers and onions. Yo, these are so good. You can have these for breakfast with like some eggs. Oh my God, so good. And you can have them for dinner too. Got those. And then last but not least, of course, a staple is the orange chicken, the Mandarin orange chicken. I was debatable to get the Kung Pao chicken because I actually like the Kung Pao chicken as well. But I just wanted to get a few things from Trader Joe's this time around and not go crazy like I normally do. So I think this is good. Should last us for the next 2 weeks. So yes, that is my Trader Joe's haul. It is now time to make dinner, put all this stuff away, and just relax. Then we're gonna tackle this hair.
Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to.
Happy Sunday, you guys. And we are heading to brunch. Just got out of church. Babe, wanna say hi to the people?
You see, what's up? Happy Sunday to y'all.
So yeah, we're headed into brunch.
In all things, keep God first. That's all I wanted to say. We're headed to brunch.
I already said that.
Yeah.
Let's see how this place tastes. We heard some good things about it, so we're gonna try it.
Got a new property out
Y'all, an hour wait and expectation.
there. First visit.
So we're gonna see what else is over here.
Is it worth the hour wait? Let me know in the comments.
Comment down below if you have an expectation. Oh, they don't open on Sundays, huh? We came on a Sunday before, didn't we?
They're probably open later.
Sunday brunch, 11 a.m. Unless nobody's in there.
I don't know, we can parlay in.
So y'all, we were waiting for our table. And Babe got him a banana loaf from the Starbucks.
Young lady felt I was handsome, so this was on the house.
Anyway.
She's not
So
too
yeah,
happy
we're waiting.
about it.
We're waiting for our table.
Any lunch plans today will be here.
What? What are you trying to show? Any lunch plans? What are you talking about?
Any lunch plans today will be here. That's going good. You should have took a bite of that.
I don't want to curb my appetite, so. just waiting. The thing is about this is that they don't take reservations. I know what other...
They took a reservation. That place is packed.
These type of places that don't take reservations, it's not cool because you're driving far to go visit them. Then you gotta wait because you already drove this far. That's dumb. I'll check back in with you guys once we get to the restaurant, see how the food goes.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's
the sunlight.
People just don't want to go through the beginning stages.
Yeah, because when you first start locking hair, it's just baby.
Anyways,
you guys,
we on our way out.
we're out of expectations.
Wonderful experience. 4.5 out of 5.
You give it a 4.5 out of 5.
Despite the wait, I enjoyed the food.
Yeah, despite that it was a little breeze coming in, because it is a little breezy today, the food was really good. I couldn't even finish it. Chicken and waffles.
Just
A1.
had a Yingling.
The strawberry mimosa. I could have made that at home, but it was good for what it was. And then you said you had a Yingling.
Yeah.
Yingling was good.
And
then fries were good. I love fries. Listen, if a restaurant mess up fries,
you know
you may want to go.
Yeah.
So the fries were good. So yeah, expectation. They met our expectations.
No faults on grease and potatoes. That's an easy mix.
So now we are headed to
the usuals to check out any new
stuff at TJ Maxx.
Yeah.
TJ Maxx. So I'll holler at y'all once we get to TJ Maxx.
Our demon does not go out except by prayer and by fasting. By prayer and by fasting. It makes us pure before the presence of God. God's eyes can look unto us.
Probably looking so crazy. Get myself together. This is my Friday dance. What is up, you guys? It is Friday. Welcome to Friday. Your girl's tired. I'm tired. Okay? But it is now 2:29, and it's about that time to get that afternoon pick me up. So I'm about to make me an iced coffee. But before I make the coffee, I wanted to show y'all a package that just came in the mail. So you guys need to shop Ishay's Boutique. I will have it on the screen. Make sure you check her out on Instagram. It is Black owned. Y'all, I was so excited that I didn't do the unboxing I'm not doing the unboxing because I already opened it up. I actually tried on these pants. And when I say understood the assignment, for us curvy girls, understood the assignment, okay? The pants fit correctly. They're not bunching up in the front. They're not pulling in the front, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna show you guys the two pieces that I did order. This is this top, so cute. And I thought it was gonna be I thought it was gonna be a little big. The sleeves are a little bit bigger because I got it in a large. This is all she had left on there. That's what I'm saying. Y'all better go grab you some pieces. But I love an off the shoulder moment. It is my thing. It's the vibes, showing off the décolleté, but love that this is like scrunchy here. So it's not one of those shirts that you got to keep doing this to, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, and having to keep adjust yourself. It pretty much stays where you place it, which I love. Love the like parachute sleeves and this moment of it coming all the way down. It's not stopping up here and I got to push it up. Like, Ishay's Boutique understood the assignment, okay? We are getting into this era of different fabric pieces, different fashionable pieces, and whatever moment or era you're in with your wardrobe. Me, I'm trying to elevate my wardrobe and just get certain like pieces from boutiques and just not the typical getting what everybody else is getting. Like, I'm trying to get quality pieces that stand out and people be like, where you get that from? Oh girl, this is from a boutique. When you hear somebody say boutique, you be like, dang, I don't think I can get that, because boutiques are one of a kind, okay? So here's the top, and it's like an oversized satin top, and then it comes with some bottoms as well. But this is so cute. So that black off the shoulder top came in like a pink. I don't know if it's the same exact pink, but it was a pink on the website. But love the detailing of the cuff on the sleeve, so you could button them both up, which I don't mind, or you can, like, you know, cuff it like this. And it does come with the pants. I did love the length of these pants. Like, these pants are so long and they flare out. The fabric is not too thick, but it's not too thin to the point where it's like, dang, I gotta, you know, you're gonna see my underclothes. It's airy and breathable, which I love. So I'm gonna go ahead and make me a coffee. We are going to be going to a gospel like concert, and I'm super excited about this. Nathaniel Bassey is awesome, so I'm excited to see what that's about. So I probably will, in the next like 2 hours, I'm gonna wrap up my work day and kind of like get dressed and get ready. So I just want to share those 2 pieces that I just ordered. Let me make this coffee and I'll check back in with you guys a little bit later before we head out to a concert.
Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say,
what is up, you guys? Happy Saturday. So yesterday you saw that we went to a little bar. I had some wings. Babe had a chicken sandwich, so that was pretty good. Just a chill little night out. So today we're gonna go to this conference and see this artist. So let's go. I hope you are having a great Saturday. I'm like all over the place and rushing. I'm trying to calm myself down. I actually just left from a women's fellowship. The women at my church. Super fun. Always exciting to learn new dishes. It's like a culinary fellowship that we do where you can, you know, teach each other different dishes that you may know in from your upbringing or whatever the case may be, or something easy that you just want to share. I mean, it's just a time to fellowship and connect with one another. So I left there. Now we're about to go to this conference, but before there we had to make a stop. So now we're about to go to this conference, and hopefully I can get some clips in there. So check back in with you guys a little bit later. All right, y'all, so we have been home for quite some time now, and I just want to close out the vlog. I am about to shower and get this makeup off. My face is breaking out and I don't know what is going on, but yeah, the show was so awesome. It was so awesome. Nathaniel Bassey did an awesome job. The atmosphere was so on point. Like, the Holy Spirit was definitely in that building, and it was so awesome to just be a part of that. I enjoy going to conferences and concerts, like gospel related events. I just feel like they just do something else. Like, I really do enjoy going to those type of events. So I don't know what your faith is, but life is tough, and with God, everything and anything is possible. So definitely had a good time. Just want to come on and check in, close out the vlog, and say I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I know that I didn't do much in this vlog, but more to come. And also regular like content where I'm doing beauty content is on the way as well. Thank you so much, girl, for commenting on the last video for the beauty stuff. So yeah, so more beauty content to come. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. It helps your girl out. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty.
Goodbye.
I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.